Hey everyone, John Millis, Product Manager with Winnebago, and I'm standing in front of a new Vista 29 NP model. This is brand new for us in 2023. And one of the great exterior features we're going to talk about right now is the exterior tailgate kitchen. And that's what's behind me right now, behind this large door. So I'm going to open up this large door, but I'm going to point out a couple things about this door. It is supported by heavy-duty struts, but they are two-position struts. So if you happen to be outside, you're entertaining some friends or family, and you get one of those summer rain showers, you can leave it at this lower position like that, and the water will shed off. We also give a nice rain gutter up here, so it sheds the water, so it keeps your exterior tailgate kitchen nice and dry. When the rain is done, you can go ahead and open up the rest, and it comes up just about a 90-degree position from the coach and reveals your nice exterior tailgate kitchen here. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the lights. There's two lights, one in below the overhead, and then another one that's up above that kind of illuminates the whole exterior tailgate kitchen. So a lot of storage. As you can see, we got a great overhead storage here, a couple drawers down here, another large compartment here. All of these storage compartments have positive latching, so nothing's going to come open and spill as you're traveling. We also feature a nice durable laminate countertop here, perfect for outdoor kitchen, and then a very rugged stainless steel sink and stainless steel faucet. With this sink, what we do is when that sink gets full, we basically have a switch here that will pump the water to your holding tank. You'll see some other products out there with this same kind of exterior kitchen where they may have a separate tank that you have to separately dump or maybe even remove to dump. We don't do that. We have a separate water pump that pumps that water out of that sink into the holding tank. So it's very convenient for the user. The refrigerator is a 120 volt refrigerator, but it's powered by the inverter also. So if you're traveling, obviously you're not going to be plugged in. You can run the inverter to keep your food goods cold until you get to your destination. If you open up the refrigerator, it's not just a refrigerator. We actually have a small freezer also, okay? So you can put a small bag of ice. There's some frozen meat that you're maybe not going to prepare right away. You can put that up there. And then obviously nice refrigerator storage below. And you got your dial here so you can set your cold settings or just shut it off if you want to do that also. So again, just a very nice exterior package. We have 110 volt here to plug into if you've got appliances outside, as well as 12 volt for charging also, okay? And in the back behind here, we do offer an LP connection, so you have your own LP barbecuer. You can plug it in right here, and again, have a very nice exterior entertainment tailgate kitchen for friends and family. And if you buy a new 29V, a new 31B, or this 29 NP, you can enjoy this great exterior feature.